Good morning, guys. Today is Wednesday, February 20th. Let's take a quick look at the markets. All right, let's start with CGC. Where we leave off. So we were looking for a pullback starting here. So there was two cases here. We will either go up to meet this order block area here, but we don't have to go through this resistance. This was going to prove to be challenging to get through. And if I move this over, you can see where we stopped at. So we got rejected here. Excuse me. So we could have seen either more upside. However, there is a lot of resistance here on this channel. Or we were going to see a pullback. And it looks like we're starting to pull back on the daily. Now some key levels to look at. So we're right in the middle of pretty much everything. So we need to get over 47.22, 47.22, 47.25, basically the bottom of this channel. In order to see more upside, if we cannot get through that and we still get resistance, then we're going to be looking at 39. Now this is on daily, so it may take a while. So if you're looking at 39, 83, 85. Let's expand this. Okay, so we'll be looking at this trend line right here. Where does that come from? Oh, I see here. Okay, so we'll be looking at around the 39, $40 area or a pullback. And let's get rid of these. Call it daily. Okay, so we're on track to pulling back. But we want to take a closer look here and make sure that we're seeing resistance or we're seeing a breakout. So right now we're sitting right on top of the 50 moving average on the 4-hour time frame. So we might see a slight upside again into this channel area. But if we cannot get through this, we're going to keep going down. So let's leave these two scenarios up. This might match the 200 moving average on the 4-hour. I'm going to post this up. Okay, let's look at ACV. I'm going to try to make these quick for you. All right, on the daily, we are hitting resistance still. We are not sure that we're going to get a golden cross or just nothing, just going to come down. But I'm still seeing this downside. My target still stands around 615, 660. Basically this order block area. I'm going to say that we're going to try to hit the 50 here. But we're going to have to wait and see. We're at the mercy of the algos. All right, so downside slope looks like it is kind of making a basically a channel and expanded diagonal. Yeah, possibly. CMF looks terrible. All right, so still looking at some downside. Just wait and see, basically. We need to break this trend line in order to see some life. So just keep that in mind. I'm going to post this one up too. CRON. Nice. All right, so I've been short this whole way down. This was more of a swing, not so much a day trading. I did take a day trade here, exited here, and then I mentioned that we need to try to go down and test the 382. We don't have to. So we came down, we actually made a higher low, so we can see more upside. So just a wait and see. Now this resistance still holding, still getting a rejection here. I believe I wrote this down when we were around these two candles. Got an inside bar, came down, kind of shooting star. So we're gonna wait and see. It's kind of a pin bar, almost. So we want to see if we can break this 2180 level. If we can get above this and close above this, we could see more upside. I'll try to update during the day if we do break that. If you guys want to see updates throughout the day, then just give me a thumbs up and comment below. We are getting a 9 on the 4 hour. Let's see. 9 candles. Alright, so we're going to want to see a break of this trend in order to go down. But I'm still expecting this to happen for now. But it may not. So right now I just want to see this hold in order to continue. My stop loss is somewhere around here. If I don't get that, then we're gonna go down. We're gonna go up. I mean, we're gonna break and keep going up. Parabolic, crazy. All right, gonna post that. Let's go to APHA. That's all we're looking at. We were looking at some downside. So keep in mind that most of these on the MJ sector, they tend to follow SPY and the market sentiment. So it's just still going up. Might still go up. Where do we stop? Seem to have stopped. Oh, okay. So we got rejected by the golden pocket again. And that thing is crazy. Okay, so golden pocket rejection. I want to see a break of 940, 930. Basically this line right here. So if we can break through this line, call it warning color. If we can get down through this line, then we're going to see more downside. I'm going to put it here. But we might see some support by the 50. So let's keep that in mind too. If this holds, I'm going to go up or two, probably $10 area, 10.50, somewhere around there. So with this wick, and get more precise if we go down lower time frame. So we should see around there. All right, so let's keep that in mind. Just a daily telling you. All right, so if we break, basically we make a lower low here off this candle, then there's got to be more continuation to the downside. The 50 is curling up. So that's a good sign for the bulls. Let's take a look at TLRY. TLRY was a request. All right, so we were looking at this trend line to hold some kind of resistance. And if we can get a breakout, then we need a retest in order to continue this bull move, some kind of falling watch thing. We also have this trend line down here, which gives potential for head and shoulders, which will give you this target down here of this order block, which is my initial target for this whole correction. For a nice long swing. Let's see the 4 hour. So what are we doing here? So bring up some kind of flag. Potentially, it could also be a wedge, kind of a triangle pattern. Let's look closer. Okay, so we got 3 waves down, 3 waves up. So I might be putting another upside here. Yeah, so I might be looking at $78 range for today, right here. And then we gotta see if we can break out of this stuff. You know, the channel. We have a channel happening. We have the 200 on the 1 hour. Let's see the 4 hour. So the 50 moving average in the 4 hour is curling down. That's going to be some significant resistance. Might meet up with the channel here and then give you a bunch of confluence to go down. We're by the trend line, so be mindful of that. Might happen tomorrow, Friday. We get really close to it. See what happens then. I'm expecting the market to pull back at some point. We don't have to, but I'm looking for that. And I can bring this whole sector down as well. So if we get this break of this trend line, we get more confirmation of a trend reversal and potentially this head and shoulders. Yep, it's pretty clear. We have left shoulder, head, and the right shoulder. Just like that. This can last a little. This can go for a little longer. Potentially. All right, so this is just for you guys who are watching my videos. So I hope you found this video useful and informative. Still give me a thumbs up. If you have any stock picks you'd like me to go over in the channel for next time, go ahead and comment below. If you want to support this channel, would like to see more upcoming videos, go ahead and subscribe so we can grow together. If you have suggestions for future video topics, please comment below. And I'll see you in the next one. Trade safely out there. Bye.